everyone, it's Shama here. So I am doing an unboxing of the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, and it's a 6-in-1, and I will start that for you so that you can learn how to use it. It's super quick and super easy, and I will go through all the directions with you. Okay, so this is the air fryer. It's the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, and it's 6-in-1. And this one has the screen that you can take a look through, and you can actually watch your food that you're air frying, and you don't have to actually open it in order to check on your food. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when you open it. Okay, so this is the element that's in there. I'm just going to put this to the side. And we also have a Be Safe manual, as well as a Get Started manual for your Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart with Clear Cook and Odor Ease. And then they've also given you this handy little recipe if you are someone who likes buffalo chicken bites. They tell you how to make them, and then the directions are there for you as well. So I'm just going to put these to the side. And now I'm going to just pop this open. I'm just going to pull this out here. Okay, and then here is the cord that we're pulling out there. There's a cord there for you to plug in. And then there is tape on the sides that you want to take off. And that shows you the air fryer part there. So I'm just removing this. They've popped on here. And then I'm actually just going to pull this out, and I'm going to just wipe it down with a wet cloth, and then I will do the rest. So I've washed this tray with soap and water, and I've dried it, and I'm just popping it into the basket and making sure it's secure there. Okay, so now I'm placing the Vortex air fryer on a stable and level surface away from any external heat sources and combustible material. So you don't want to put this on any other surface, like on top of anything. And then number 2, you want to make sure to leave at least 5 inches or 13 centimeters of space above and around all the sides of the appliance so that there's sufficient airflow. Next, I'm going to be doing a test run to make sure that everything is working really well and perfect for this air fryer. So you can learn how to make healthy, quick air fried chicken that will give you a nice high source of protein and will definitely help you manage your energy levels throughout the day. I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to air fry these large pieces of chicken. They are boneless and they are skinless. So I've actually just brushed them with some avocado oil, and then I'm going to add some light crushed rosemary and a little bit of fresh lemon, and then I will air fry it. So I've topped it with some fresh lemon and some rosemary, and I'm going to now program the air fryer and pop it in. I've added the 2 pieces of chicken now into the air fryer, so you can see there. And now I'm just placing the air fryer and I'm closing it. Now I'm going to select air fry as my method for the smart program for the cooking. So once I push air fry, you see that the 385 Fahrenheit has come on and it's set for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to just push the start button. So now it's started and it's going to preheat as well. So you can see that, and you can also maybe hear it. So it's now air frying. It says that it started air frying, so the preheating phase is over. And now it's just going to start air frying. So this is what our rosemary chicken looks like. The air fryer is beeping because it's telling me to close the basket, but the end cycle has happened. So I'm going to pull them out. So I've just cut into the chicken to make sure that it's cooked enough. So that was 15 minutes. You can see on the outside it's really nice and brown, and on the inside it looks really nice and juicy.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be trying this chicken. Oh my gosh, that's so moist. For the time that it was in there, it's so good, quick and fast and delicious.
So now I'm going to do some French fries that my daughter asked me for, and we're just trying it out. And I've popped them in the air fryer basket, and now I'm going to turn it on. So now we've got the French fries in, and I've hit the air fryer button, and I'm gonna hit start. It will preheat again, and French fries are in there. It does beep when it's ready, and after we'll let it cook for 15 and see what it looks like. So now the cooking time is ended, and it gave me a couple of beeps, and I'm going to just pull it out and see how it looks.
Alright, so now we're going to be trying the french fries from the air fryer. Get some ketchup in there. Oh my gosh. Amazing. One word, amazing.
So there you have it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to push the notification button so that you know when the next video comes up. See everybody soon.